Tired of clutter taking over your home? Looking for smart, stylish, and space-saving solutions? We've got the perfect home organization essentials to help you maximize space, reduce mess, and simplify your life. From kitchen storage to bathroom organization, these must-haves will transform your home in no time. Let's dive in. 1. The ultimate pull-out storage solution. Say goodbye to messy cabinets. These pull-out storage organizers are perfect for keeping your essentials neatly arranged under the sink or inside cabinets. The bottom drawer smoothly slides out, making it easy to grab what you need. Plus, its durable construction ensures long-lasting use. No tools are required for setup, just place them and enjoy an instantly tidier space. 2. Adjustable under-sink organizer. Not all cabinets are the same, and that's why this adjustable two-tier organizer is a must-have. Its height can be customized to fit your space, while the dual pull-out design lets you easily access items without bending down. Made with rust-proof materials, it's perfect for humid areas like the kitchen or bathroom. A simple solution for a more organized home. 3. Sleek and versatile paper towel holder. This modern matte black paper towel holder is more than just a dispenser, it's a space-saving essential. Install it vertically or horizontally under cabinets, on walls, or even inside your pantry. Made from lightweight yet sturdy aluminum, it's built to last. Whether you use it for paper towels, foil, or even kitchen utensils, this stylish organizer keeps things tidy and within reach. Stackable clear acrylic drawers. Struggling to find your makeup, skincare, or pantry items? These clear acrylic storage drawers are the perfect solution. Designed with pull-out handles and a non-slip base, they keep your essentials organized and easily accessible. The stackable design saves space, letting you arrange them vertically or side by side. A clutter-free home starts with smart storage. Airtight food storage containers. A messy pantry can be frustrating, but these airtight food storage containers make organization effortless. With leak-proof lids and silicone seals, they keep ingredients fresh and dry. The stackable design saves space, while the included labels and marker help you keep track of everything. Whether it's flour, cereal, or pasta, this set keeps your pantry neat and organized. Heavy-duty shower caddy. No more bottles falling off your shower shelves. This rust-proof stainless steel caddy uses super strong adhesive to hold up to 40 pounds. The set includes 2 spacious shelves, a soap dish, a toothbrush holder, and 16 hooks for all your bathroom essentials. Designed to withstand humidity, it stays looking great for years. A simple, drill-free way to upgrade your shower space. 7. Wall-mounted mop and broom holder. Leaning mops and brooms against the wall? Not anymore. This wall-mounted holder keeps cleaning tools, gardening supplies, and even sports gear neatly organized. With 5 adjustable slots and a total capacity of 38 pounds, it's perfect for garages, laundry rooms, and closets. No more tripping over brooms, just grab, clean, and store effortlessly. Which of these storage solutions do you need most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home organization tips. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!